Between 11 p.m. and 4 a.m., your skin shifts into an active repair cycle. Cellular turnover naturally accelerates, which is why the timing of what you apply at night is so important. To leverage this specific biological window, we are going to formulate a simple 2-ingredient overnight face gel using beetroot and aloe vera. This protocol is designed to address 3 specific goals: increasing surface hydration, calming localized inflammation, and refining the appearance of open pores. Before we start, you will need a few clean supplies. Gather your pure aloe vera gel, fresh beetroot juice, a small mixing bowl, and a sterilized glass jar for storage. Using these pure, raw ingredients allows you to feed your skin during its repair cycle without the additives found in many commercial overnight products. As we set up our workspace, there is one mandatory safety rule. You must complete a 24-hour patch test on your inner arm to rule out any sensitivity to aloe, a natural compound found in aloe plants. For the base ingredient, you need a 95 to 100% pure concentration of Aloe barbadensis. This diagram compares pure aloe to commercial gels. Store-bought options often contain alcohol and synthetic fragrances, causing significant irritation. You must also avoid artificial green dyes. They provide no benefit and contribute to breakouts. Introducing these irritants during the nocturnal window can trigger an inflammatory response, which forces your skin to deal with new stress instead of focusing on its natural repair. Now let's look at the formulation. We are using a strict 1-to-1 ratio, exactly 1 tablespoon of fresh beetroot juice to 1 tablespoon of pure aloe vera gel. Because you are combining 2 distinct liquids, you need to use continuous, vigorous stirring to properly bind them together. The formulation is successful when the mixture reaches a smooth, uniform pink jelly consistency, with no clear liquid separating at the edges. Achieving this perfect emulsion ensures that the hydration and the vitamin C from the beetroot are distributed evenly across your face during application. Once mixed, carefully transfer the finished jelly into your sterilized, airtight glass container. Because this DIY gel utilizes fresh juice, it lacks synthetic preservatives. This makes the mixture highly susceptible to bacterial growth at room temperature. Therefore, the container must go immediately into the refrigerator, and any remaining gel must be discarded after exactly 7 days. Strict temperature control and tracking your expiration date are necessary to prevent introducing acne-causing bacteria into your pores. At the bathroom sink, your first step is performing a double cleanse to completely remove any daytime makeup and sunscreen. Aloe is a humectant that seals moisture against the skin. If you skip the cleanse, the gel will trap daytime debris and bacteria against your surface, which can lead to inflammation. For a single night's application, you only need a pea to dime-sized drop of the cold gel. The gel must be gently pressed onto the skin. Do not aggressively rub or drag your fingers across your face. If you have dry skin, wait 1 to 2 minutes for the initial layer to absorb. Then seal the gel in with a lightweight, non-comedogenic oil like squalane. Using this gentle pressing technique allows for efficient absorption of the active compounds while protecting your skin barrier from microtears. While you sleep, the aloe holds moisture in the dermis, while the beetroot's antioxidants help support the skin's barrier repair. In the morning, your immediate action is to rinse your face completely with lukewarm water to remove any remaining gel residue. Looking at this diagram, you can see how newly formed skin cells need protection. Because the gel promotes cell renewal, applying an SPF 30 or higher sunscreen immediately after washing is non-negotiable. For the best results in skin texture and clarity, apply this gel exactly 2 to 3 times per week. The progress you make overnight can be easily undone by UV exposure. Newly revealed skin is more sensitive to the sun, so daytime protection is essential to maintaining your results.